of that? Well, these type of shorts are going crazy viral. Just look at this channel right here, VS Football Edit. They have over 2.3 million subscribers, and they have accumulated over 263 million views. Wow. When we take a look at their social blade, we can see that they make between $6,000 and $100,000 a month. That doesn't sound bad, right? And all they do is create these kind of football shorts I showed you in the beginning. So you want to be able to know their secrets and do what they are doing to get the views and the money. Well, you are in luck, because hey there, and how are you doing? In this video, I am going to show you how you can create football shorts that are guaranteed to go viral. So are you excited? Well, let's dive right in. Okay, first of all, we are going to analyze their content. Stop it right there. I know their concept. They show a football player in the background. On the left, they have objects like football club badges or cars. And then they add a check mark or an X symbol. Whether or not the football in the background actually owns the objects or is or was at any specific club. And then do the same, but with another footballer in the background. Okay, let's do this ourselves now. We first need 4 football players. Let's do Ronaldinho, Messi, Haaland, and Cristiano Ronaldo. Next, we have to come up with clubs or objects. Let's do alcohol, red card, World Cup, and Lamborghini. So to be clear, our short will be about answering the questions if Ronaldinho, Messi, Haaland, or Cristiano Ronaldo drink alcohol, if they had a red card, if they have a World Cup, and if they own a Lamborghini. Doing this with different clubs, as you can see in this short, is way easier. But this with alcohol will be very interesting, and its viral potential will be huge. Okay, first of all, we are going to collect footage from the 4 football players. So let's first look for some Ronaldinho footage. Download, for example, a skills video. I am using the old version of 4K video downloader to download the videos, but you can obviously use any other free-to-use YouTube video downloader. For Messi's footage, we are going to download this interview video. For Haaland, we are going to download this funny Instagram video he uploaded himself. And for Cristiano Ronaldo, we will download a skill video. Next, we are going to download the checkmark symbol and the X symbol. You could just download them from Google, but I'm going to use Canva to download. Simply find them here in the search bar. Here comes a tip. Since you cannot download one graphic alone, you need to duplicate the graphic and put it small in the back like this. Now you can download it with transparency on. Okay, let's download that X symbol. Let's download the alcohol symbol now. And now let's download the red card graphic. And now let's download the World Cup graphic like this. And I simply downloaded the Lamborghini PNG image here. Before we are going to edit the video, we are going to download this short from VS Football Edit. Why? Because we will use that as our template and to decipher how long they use certain footage. Now open CapCut and drop it in the timeline. Now we need to inspect the video. Okay, nice. They show each footballer for 8 seconds, and after each 2 seconds, they either add a check mark or an X symbol. Now drop the first footballer footage in there, and enlarge it like this. Now pick the best parts and cut it to make it 8 seconds long. Now we are going to add the 4 objects: alcohol, red card, World Cup, and the Lamborghini. Resize them and put them on top of each other. Use the example video as your template if necessary by turning the opacity a bit down. Now make the 4 objects 8 seconds long like this. Okay, if you haven't already, go ahead and extract and delete the audio from the footballer's footage like this. Now add the check mark, put it in like after 1 or 2 seconds, and resize it like this. Okay, now let's actually check if Ronaldinho actually does drink alcohol. Okay, that is enough evidence. We can add the check mark to the alcohol symbol. Now go to animation and add an animation to it. Like this one, for example. Next, we are going to download the checkmark sound effect and the X symbol sound effect. Again, we are going to download it from YouTube. Now add it to the project so that it matches the checkmark symbol. To get our facts checked, we could also, for example, ask ChatGPT. Let's ask it if Ronaldinho had any red cards in his career. Okay, we can add another checkmark for him. Now do this also for the rest. Okay, perfect. Now copy and paste this 3 times. And now we are going to add the footage from the next football player, Haaland. Do some fact-checking and add the checkmark or X symbol. To make it even easier, I simply copy and pasted all the checkmarks from Ronaldinho, so I can simply replace them with an X symbol if necessary. And guys, creating the first video like this will be the most time-consuming, because after this one you can simply reuse this project, and then you can easily replace footage and do a few click and you are already done. Okay, let's to Messi now. And now Cristiano Ronaldo. Are you more of a Messi fan or more of a Ronaldo fan? Let me know in the comments. Okay, nice. We are almost done. Let's create compound clips out of them. You don't need to do this, but it looks clean, and I wanted to put Ronaldinho at the end, because he has check marks everywhere. Now for the background music, you could really use any music you like, even copyrighted ones, since that is allowed on YouTube Shorts. But okay, let's just look for an EDM beat in the YouTube audio library and add it to our project. You could also consider adding your watermark like this, so people won't steal your content. As a final touch, we will go to Filters and add some nice filters. When you are done, simply export it in 4K. Before I'm going to show you the end result, let me do the outro. And that's it. Now it's up to you. Create your own amazing football shorts and go mega viral. Have a lot of fun. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll never, ever, 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 never, ever, 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 never miss another Mr. Lemon video. See you in the next video. Bye. Here is the end result.